guys, so we're going to be back at it. I'm going to do my soil adjustment. It's not all happening in one application. You know, I follow a lot of the other knowledgeable folks online, and this isn't something that you do in one shot. But I was, my soil analysis was recommending 2.5 pounds of a 16-16-16. So I picked up, essentially it's a starter fertilizer, right? So I picked up a bag of Lesco starter fertilizer. It's an 18-24-12. I have approximately 9,000 square feet. This is a 50-pound bag, so I'm not going to be applying at the recommended application rate, but I also don't want to overdo it. Okay, so looking at my Soil Savvy report, they recommended a 16-16-16 at 2.5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. I picked up a 50-pound bag of Lesco starter fertilizer. It's an 18-24-12. I'm probably treating, like I said, approximately 9,000 square feet, so I'm going to put it down at the recommended application rate. I'm not going to put down more than they recommend. I don't want to overload, the environment with phosphorus. We do, like I said, have a blackout period in New Jersey where homeowners cannot apply between November 15th and March 1st, and that's on the NJDEP website, which I can link to if anybody's interested. So anyway, if I have leftover material, I save it for next year, save it for another project, use it elsewhere. That's what we're going to do. Also, to bring my pH up, I'm going with, again, big box store. This happened to be Soil Doctors pelletized lime. I think I'm going to lay out today approximately 240 pounds of lime over my 9,000 square feet of lawn. Again, it's probably not enough to, get me to where I need to be, but from what I'm reading online, it's a gradual thing we're going to do over time, and as I get my pH up, my phosphorus probably will also increase naturally, which is really what I want to do. So this is the first step of what I'm doing this season. I've already done my pre-emergent. I am going to be working with the Next Liquid products, which I have out of the camera range. So I'll be following some of those schedules as we go, and also hitting the lawn eventually with my regular granular fertilizer. So one step at a time. Okay, so that's it. We're going to get out there. We're going to throw this stuff down. I'm going to get it done. And I got a lot of other yard work to do. I got edging, I got blowing, I got raking, beds. I got a lot of material I still need to clean up, but it's such a nice day out today here in New Jersey. The temperatures are up. The Bradford pear trees are blooming. Spring is here early. So like I said, I even have my park strip between my sidewalk and the street is greening up and it's growing. So things are rocking and rolling here. So let's get out there and let's do it. Okay guys, so that does it for today. I got my lime down. I got my starter fertilizer down, which is for my macro adjustments for phosphorus and potassium. Good to go. I found out what the clicking noise was with the Earthway spreader that I mentioned in one of my past videos. The propeller was not down far enough on the shaft, so the little groove that's in the metal shaft it wasn't stripping the propeller, but I think what it was because it wasn't down, the propeller was hitting some of the undercarriage of the barrel, and so it's working well. Again, I'm going to record my spreader settings for different products. I probably had it initially set a little bit too small, so I actually had to apply twice to get my pounds on the ground down. Next time I know for this particular product, should I choose to use it again, I'll use the proper setting. So that's it. We'll be back. I have some more things in store, some things I want to share. Let me know if you guys have done your soil test and what you guys found and how you addressed it. And don't forget, you got to get out there and get it done. See you soon.